Hello, I'm Bobby Long, Product Development Manager for Worth USA. Today we're going to talk about rubberized seam sealers. We carry two kinds, rubberized and urethane. Urethane we'll cover in another segment. First, let's talk a little bit about the gun. When the gun comes, there's a few things you want to make sure of. First of all is the O-ring inside of here. That's what seals the tube to the gun. If it happens to go away, when you take a tube off, what's going to happen is air will be pulled into it. You won't get a good spray pattern or a bead. Next, you want to check the settings on it. This is your product feed. It'll come all the way screwed out. Screw it in, back it out 3 full turns. This is your air bleed. You want to close it all the way, open it up about 1/4 of a turn. You should be good to spray. Always do a test pattern prior to spraying the car to make sure you've got the correct look. Once you hook it up, I've already adjusted the gun. It's set up to do a spray pattern. This is a spray texture you'll find on most American and Japanese cars. A lot of the European cars have a different look to the texture. You're going to want to spray backwards. That's the appearance you'll get on those. To do a bead, you simply change the tip. It's very important to turn the air bleed off so no air bleeds into the tip and causes bubbles. Now, one of my favorite patterns to do, they come with a whale tail. On here you can do different adjustments on how far in you want to lay the bead. Do you want a flat bead on the top or a round bead? For the distance inside, you simply cut back how far you need to be with a razor blade. Trim it back, and now you have a guide. The guide's going to allow you to stay on the edge of the door skin, the trunk, the hood, wherever you need to apply it. Now you've got an even straight bead for the edge of the door. So I'm going to show you a few more patterns you can also achieve with this gun. If you close the air all the way off and gently open it, you have a bead that looks like this. It's got a design in the top of it. If you want to get into an area to touch up undercoating, to touch up an area in the trunk, open it up about 1/4 of a turn, get back about 10 inches, and now you have a spray texture. So this gun is versatile. You can literally lay down anywhere from 10 to 12 different patterns to match whatever's on the car. Please, if you have any questions, schedule a demo with your local rep. He'd be glad to come in and show you our guns. Thank you.